Want your Instagram Reels to blow up and reach way beyond your usual followers? Let's talk about how you can make your next reel go viral, even if you're just getting started. First, let's get clear on what viral actually means on Instagram Reels. If your video racks up something like 100,000 views within the first 24 hours, and it's spreading outside your usual audience, you're on the right track. It's all about getting those likes, comments, and shares to skyrocket. So, how do you make this happen? Start by focusing on a specific topic or niche. The most successful creators stick to what they know and love, whether it's beauty, travel, or fitness. When your content is consistent, it's easier to attract an audience that's genuinely interested. Next, always open your reel with a hook. You've got just a couple of seconds to grab attention, so make it count. Think bold visuals or an intriguing question right up front. Shareability is key too. Ask yourself, would you want to send this reel to a friend? If not, tweak it until it's irresistible. Don't forget to jump on current Instagram trends and use trending music or sounds. This can boost your reach dramatically and keep your visuals sharp. Bright colors, good lighting, and creative editing go a long way. Another important tip: use popular hashtags and post at peak hours when your followers are most active. And if you want to boost your social proof instantly, Media Mister can help you increase your reel views safely and organically, giving your content that extra push to go viral. Ready to take your reels to the next level? Head over to Media Mister and give your content the best shot at going viral today.